Be part of the clean energy revolution. Go solar today, start saving from day one. Harness the sun and take charge of your energy future. Hello, why is USClassicMUscleCars reviewing a solar inverter, specifically the EG4 FlexBOSS21? Stay tuned. Use these chapter times to skip to any part of the video that interests you, although everything is important. Hi, you may remember me. I'm Cheryl from Motorsports Unlimited with Bill Wilt. I was one of the girls on the show. So it is my privilege to share what I know about the FlexBOSS21 and other solar products. So from MuscleCars to MegaWatts. Use our affiliate code USClassicMUscleCars to save a few dollars when purchasing from Signature Solar. Disclosure, this video contains affiliate links. If you'd like to purchase using my link or discount code, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. If you're not familiar or don't feel safe around electricity, consult or use an electrician. Safety first. You may know us for filming great muscle cars like this.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Today I'm here with John from Dodge. Now he's going to tell us today about the new 2018 Dodge Demon.
Yeah, absolutely. This car is pretty incredible. This is officially the world's fastest production car.
But electric vehicles like this are here and now and offer great performance and excitement.
670 horsepower.
Yeah.
3.3 and 60 miles an hour in 3.3 seconds. How long is the battery life? 500 hours?
308 miles.
308 miles, approximately 308 miles.
If you like working on restoring and fixing muscle cars, then tinkering, configuring, installing your own solar system is right up your alley. In fact, we drove several electric muscle cars, and boy, are they exciting, like the Dodge Daytona EV. Please, we encourage you to subscribe to US Classic Muscle Cars. The FlexBOSS21 is a great inverter. Think about it. All the potential issues with common electrical delivery, national disasters, severe storms, electrical outages, trees falling onto power lines, lightning strikes. So we bought this EG4 FlexBOSS21 inverter from Signature Solar, as we have found them to be top of the line in the solar game. Just this week in a major city in the US, we see a report on how our state in a few years most likely will not have enough electricity to power the state. Here in a brief clip.
The future of electricity in Illinois looks dire. There's a new report from several state agencies suggesting soaring demand will leave us with a shortage of power by the year 2032, and that will mean higher electricity bills. Lauren Victory is live in the newsroom to take us through some of these key findings. Lauren.
Well, Marie, researchers behind the 222-page report discovered a lot of the pressure on our system comes from data centers that house servers and storage. Those facilities are a crucial power source for artificial intelligence and have been popping up around the state. About 80 data centers operate in northern Illinois, according to ComEd. Cities like Aurora put a moratorium on new ones, and residents of Naperville spoke out against a data center plan at a city council meeting last night. Increasing demand for power over the next 5 to 7 years could force Illinois to buy electricity from different states. So how can Illinois avoid this crisis? Building new energy plants is an obvious solution, but that takes time. The report suggests expanding battery battery storage and promoting energy conservation efforts. Another solution, wait a little longer to take natural gas plants offline.
Without the means to bring a whole bunch of new electric supply online as quickly as these data centers are coming online, you see skyrocketing prices as a result.
A spokesperson for ComEd says company leaders are still analyzing the state energy report. A statement sent to us this morning reads in part, quote, "We remain committed to partnering closely with state leaders, regulators, policymakers, and all stakeholders to advocate for solutions that protect customer affordability and strengthen the grid." The findings from the state report are not a surprise to Governor J.B. Pritzker. His spokesperson says he'll soon sign a second clean energy bill that helps ensure Illinois' energy future is reliable and affordable. Live in the newsroom, I'm Lauren Victory, CBS News, Chicago.
Lauren, thank you so much. We're joined now by meteorologist David Yeomans. And David, there's also some other environmental concerns, correct, that this center could have that people are worried about?
Right, Marie, and as we've covered, that has to do with fresh water usage. New studies are showing that large data centers can use as much water as a small town every day with 25,000 people.
We find the main reason is the adoption of artificial intelligence and the massive amounts of power it requires. As legislation has taken away many of the federal solar credits, did you know we can help you find and save money on solar products through rebates and other incentives? Make sure to watch our video on that. Did you know the U.S. total outage minutes nationally is about 342 minutes a year on the average? We have experienced over 30 outages in 12 years, and our going solar offers exceptional backup and reliability plus cost savings. So pairing this EG4 FlexBOSS21 with batteries, mini split heat pump expands your energy savings, less reliance of the grid, and offers safety during critical situations, during storms, and much more. Did you know that about 40% of your electric bill is related to heating and cooling? Now think about using this inverter to power your electric vehicle. Free fuel from your solar power station. We just ran the numbers with a 6-cylinder gas car that gets reasonable mileage. We put 100,000 miles on the car, and this is how much we spent on gas. Take a look at our data. Wow, over $14,000 of money that we could have used elsewhere. So switching over to an EV just makes sense and saves thousands, not to mention additional savings on maintenance. Also, with this inverter, we can convert other appliances like gas dryer, gas water heater, over to electric and eliminate to save on our gas bill. So fire your electric company or just keep them around enough to supplement any additional needs. Hello, electric company? You're fired. I have the FlexBOSS21. We will no longer need your services. Electric company, you can hang around and I can use you when needed. Charge your solar battery while grid costs are low and sell it back to them when grid costs are high. Why pay them hundreds of dollars each and every month forever? Hopefully you enjoyed our presentation, and this is why going solar is important to you. The user manual for FlexBOSS21 is clear, detailed, easy to read, and offers diagrams and more than enough information to properly install, use, and become energy independent. Today we are talking about something that has been a game changer across America, the FlexBOSS21. If you want to have independence away from your grid, stick around. That's our review for the EG4 FlexBOSS21 that we bought from Signature Solar. This inverter can do it all. You should buy one. Did we convince you that going solar is a huge money saver? That electric vehicles can save you thousands over gas cars? Leave your comment below. Here are a few clips from our US Classic Muscle Cars channel.
BMW i7, 100% recommended for anybody interested in the latest, greatest EV innovation.
Hi, I'm Marley from US Classic Muscle Cars, and today we are here at Kissimmee Mecum Auction. And right in front and right behind us, we have the 2018 Bugatti Chiron.
And most importantly, it comes with that electronic ECU that's tuned for race gas, so you can get the maximum horsepower out of this and actually run racing gas in this car.
And today we are here in front of a 2016 Ferrari F12. This is one of 799 produced.
You put it all together, and we're making, when you put it on the race gas, 840 horsepower. This is a street legal car. You can drive this car to 7-Eleven, get yourself a Slurpee in it, then go to the drag strip, blow everybody's doors off, and still have a comfortable street car. This is a street car that is street legal to drive the car.
What would you rather have, a Dodge Daytona or a Dodge Super Bee? Let us know. Comment below. Give us your opinion.